and welcome to my chaotic vlog. This is my favorite bathing suit with some shorts. I'm going kayaking. Okay, so I have my water shoes, I have my shades, quick little snack, I have my water bag, some water. Let's go have some fun. As I float into the abyss. Trying to see if you guys can see the fishies. I don't think I'm doing a good job. It's so pretty. Oh. I needed this. Life has been so hectic. But in the most transformative way. I'm very grateful to be able to just be, I guess. I don't even know. I'm weighing this shit. Adulting is a lot of weighing. Being optimistic, choosing who you're going to be, being that person, and hoping for the best. And that's what I'm doing. Just be good to yourself so that you can be good to others. This is perfect. Today is perfect. I'm so grateful. Seeing the trees. Oh, seaweed. Ah, let me get out of here. Oh, jeez. All right, now we're in the clear. And I need you more than ever. People came to visit. Hello, babies. Hello, little ones. Can this day get any better? Oh my goodness. This is perfect. My God.